Isaac here with Skyline, and I'd like to introduce you to the Skyline Give 100, Get 100 referral program. It's super simple. Use your personal referral link to share and give any of your friends $100 off their first cleaning. And the best part is, for every new customer you get $100 towards your upcoming cleaning service. Simply scan the QR code on any Skyline bucks and access your personal referral link. This can be shared by copying the link or using any of the quick share buttons with popular platforms such as email, text, Facebook, or Messenger. You'll even be able to see how many referrals you've generated with the same link, and will get email notifications letting you know when dollars are heading your way. So the question is, do you have any friends that have cleaning needs around their homes? Maybe window cleaning, carpet cleaning, exterior cleaning, or even house cleaning? My guess is yes. If you're happy with our services, share the link with them and let them give our services a try as well. This is the perfect opportunity for them to benefit from the transformative impact of a clean and peaceful home environment. Don't worry, we won't reach out to them unless they give us their info first. Thanks for being a part of the Skyline community, and we look forward to continuing to serve you with your cleaning needs.